Kaizer Chiefs skipper Yusuf Mart has dismissed concerns that speculation about his future has impacted his focus, insisting he remains committed and grounded despite rumors linking him with a move away from Naturena. Mart was heavily linked with a potential return to Sekhukhune United, the club where he rose to prominence as captain, led them to DStv Premiership, and earned his first senior national team call-up. With his initial 3-year deal nearing its end, reports emerged that Babina Noko were eager to bring their former talisman home. However, Kaizer Chiefs have moved swiftly to secure his services beyond the current campaign. According to Itiski Times, the club has exercised its option to extend Mart's contract with an additional year reportedly agreed in principle to reinforce the long-term plans for the midfielder. Despite the noise around his future, Mart insists he's remained unfazed, and said as a footballer you always need to be strong and expect anything in life. There's only one Almighty at the end of the day. He can lay things out differently for you, but only if you help yourself first, then he will help you too. Known for his resilience and leadership, Mart emphasized that his mindset has not wavered and said, "My mood and mind will always reflect the person I am. I'm always going to be positive, always going to work hard, so there's been no change in my mindset despite the speculation." This season, the influential midfielder has featured in 30 matches across all competitions for Amakosi, contributing 2 goals and 3 assists. He's set to lead the team once again in the highly anticipated Soweto derby against Orlando Pirates at FNB Stadium on Saturday, a fixture that could define the Chiefs' season. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.